A lot of people have been asking about the new Sentinel helmet. Now, it's a big splash here at FabTech, and the cool thing is, number one, it looks really cool. The front visor is no longer a small little square, so if you're welding overhead, it'll shed the weld berries as they fall off your project, not trap them. If you do need to change that out for a new one, it's a quick change operation of simply pulling the visor off and replacing it quickly on the job, easily done while working. The nice feature I like is the grind button on the outside of the helmet. You can move from welding to grinding with just a touch of a button. You don't have to lift the hood, take it off, set the grind on the inside. Inside, the heads-up display is very unique. It's an LCD touchscreen that shows you everything that you need, and you can easily adjust it just by selecting what you want to adjust and using the arrows to adjust it, making very easy changes while you're welding. It's ready to accept the diopter, it's respirator ready. You even have preset memories to set your helmet if you have your helmet set up for different welding practices. You just have to flip it up, select the memory, the helmet's ready to go for how you want to use it. The lens itself also has a slight blue tint to it when you're welding. Now, I've been doing a whole bunch of stainless TIG welding, and that really helps out. It's super clear, and that blue tint lets you really see the arc as it jumps off the tungsten, so you can work in that small space that you need to work in when you're welding stainless steel. The Halo headgear no longer has just one strap across the top. Now it has a lot of different adjustments. It's got a ratcheting adjustment at the back to size to your head, and then multiple straps across the top to allow you to infinite adjustability to make it fit good and tight to your head. And probably, for me, the coolest thing is the fact that it's so low profile. When you have it on your head, it's not sticking way up in the air. I personally get horse collared every time I come out from a buggy welding. I'll have my helmet up and I'll go to walk away, and the helmet sits so high, it'll grab a piece of tubing and it rips the back of my neck apart. This helmet sits nice and low, tight to your head, good and compact for tight welding spaces.